Hello everyone, once again welcome to our channel Nuclean Biotech. So guys, I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. So today's topic is cell. So first of all, what is cell? So cell is the smallest unit of matter that can carry all on the processes of the life. On the other hand, cell is the basic fundamental unit of life. According to Atton with his hand-held microscope was the first person to observe and describe living cells in the early 17th century. This is a diagram of microscope. Here some parts: focus knob, lens and sample holder. Now move to next slide. Robert Hooke. What is the role of Robert Hooke? Robert Hooke looked at thin slices of cork under a microscope. He thought the spaces he saw reminded him of Monk cells, hence the name cells. This is the diagram of early microscope. Here eyepiece, focusing screw, objective lens and specimen holders are present. Plant cells as seen under a light microscope. जब हम प्लांट सेल को लाइट माइक्रोस्कोप की हेल्प से देखते हैं सो हमें कुछ ऐसा ओवरव्यू देखने को मिलता है. Here chloroplast are present, nucleolus, nuclear membrane, cell wall of adjacent cells and middle lamina. Cells. All living things are composed of one or more cells. ये हम सबको पता है कि living thing एक या एक से ज़्यादा सेल्स से मिलकर बनी हुई है. Cells are the basic unit of structure and function in an organism. This is the first step. Cells come only from reproduction of existing cells. So अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं ऑर्गेनेल्स से. ऑर्गेनेल्स क्या हैं? Cells contain a variety of internal structures called organelles. An organelle is a cell component that perform a specific function for the cell. Organelle we need to know cell membrane, nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosomes, DNA, cell wall and vacuole. So what about you? What are cells? What are organelles? Can you name 8 organelles? So आप इन 3 क्वेश्चंस का आंसर ज़रूर हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके बताना. Now move to animal cells. Animal cells contain the following structures. This is cell membrane, mitochondria, nucleus and cytoplasm. Only the cell membrane, the cytoplasm and the nucleus can be seen under the light microscope. So first of all, what is cell membrane? Cell membrane are made up of phospholipid and proteins. The phospholipid and protein are in continuous motion or weakened or in constant motions. Membranes are said to be fluid. This is the structure of cell membrane. सबसे पहले यहाँ पर क्या है? ग्रीन कलर पे क्या है? प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल को शो किया हुआ है. देन कार्बोहाइड्रेट चेन, ये सेल के बाहर का व्यू है, आउटसाइड द सेल. प्रोटीन चैनल, लिपिड बायलेयर आर प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द सेल्स. Now function of cell membrane. Mainly function क्या है? Separate the cell organelle and cytoplasm from the outside. Semi-permeable. Allow some molecule freely into and out and other to enter. Membrane gives some support to the cell. Membrane recognize molecule that touch them. Now move to nucleus. Nucleus means a large organelle near the center of the cell is called nucleus. It contains the cell genetic information. It controls the activity of the cell. What is prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells? Organisms whose cell contain a nucleus and other membrane bound organelle are called eukaryotic. Organisms whose cell never contain or lack a nucleus and other membrane bound organelle are called prokaryotic. This is the ultrastructure of the nucleus. In ultrastructure of nucleus, nucleolus and nuclear pore are present. What is nucleus? Nucleus is made up of a double membrane with numerous nuclear pore. These control the movement of a substance into and out of the nucleus. A nucleolus which contain RNA, DNA and protein, and it makes ribosomes. Chromatin which contain DNA that is arranged into chromosomes which store our genes. What is mitochondria? Mitochondria supply energy to the cell respirations. Cell which lots of mitochondria produce a lot of energy. The inner membrane of the mitochondria produce the energy. Main role in mitochondria is of inner membrane. The inner membrane of the mitochondria produce the energy. The more fold a mitochondrion has, the more energy it produced. This is the basic concept. This is a small activity for you. Label this diagram. What is organelle and why are they known as powerhouse? What type of cells would have these organelle in large membrane or large numbers, large quantity? Now what is ribosomes? Ribosomes can be seen as red dot in the cell. Their function is to make proteins. In this diagram जो red dots हैं वो क्या है? Ribosomes हैं. इनका फंक्शन क्या है? प्रोटीन बनाना. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a clear jelly-like fluid that fills the cells. It contains all the organelles within the cells. Now, plant cells. Plant cells also contain other organelles, cell wall, chloroplast and large vacuoles. Here we compare ultrastructure of plant cell and animal cells. First of all, हम एनिमल सेल्स के अल्ट्रास्ट्रक्चर को देखते हैं. इन एनिमल सेल्स राइबोसोम्स, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, प्लाज्मिड मेम्ब्रेन, साइटोप्लाज्म, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन, chromatin, DNA and nuclear pore are present. On the other hand, in plant cell membrane, nucleus, cell wall, cytoplasm, mitochondria, vacuole and chloroplast are present. Plant cell में क्या है? Chloroplast है. Add. The function of chloroplast is photosynthesis, जो कि एनिमल्स में नहीं होती है. अल्ट्रास्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द क्लोरोप्लास्ट. In ultrastructure of chloroplast, here outer membrane and inner membrane are present. In inner membrane, stroma, grana, lumen are present. The thylakoid contain the chlorophyll which trap the sun energy. Cell wall. Cell wall is rigid and gives plant cell a very defined shape. The cell wall is composed of cellulose fiber and polysaccharide and proteins. The function of the cell wall is to support and to strengthen the cell. Move to vacuoles. Vacuoles are membrane bound sacs within the cytoplasm of a cell. Vacuole provide structural support as well as serving function such as storage, waste, disposal, protection and growth also. Plant cell have large vacuoles. Again, this is a small activity for you. What organelle carries out photosynthesis? What type of cells have large vacuole and cell wall? What is the function of vacuole? What is the function of cell wall? And at last, what makes cell wall rigid? Thank you for your attention and don't forget to like and subscribe.